This time of 4 doses. Jersey number 16, Medalla. Jersey number 18, Mamalupong. Jersey number 2, Otor. And jersey number 15, Torrecampo. And jersey number 0, Shavot.
Rockland Center Court Champion between Pulyoso and Mamalupong, the veterans. Kakumpara na sa senior citizen. Idol Malupong from Italia, bounce pass. The jersey number 7, the previous shot of the glass, yes. Francis Kene to Sibanios to Gahera, block jumper off the glass to Pascal Scoop from Gahera. Here comes Torrecampo, left-handed shot, yes. Hits a 2 points from Torrecampo. And here comes Francis Kelly, serving the floor. Toss, stolen by Sarot to Torrecampo. Torrecampo sidestep to floater off the glass. The basket is good from Torrecampo. Otor Torrecampo back to Otor, jersey number 2, brings the ball to center. Tumamalongpong to Sarot, back to Mamalongpong. Painting, lace off the finger shot is good from Mamalungpo. Kalabaw lang ang tumatanda. Jersey number 1 foul. Stolen by Gahera. Gahera to versus Kenneth Davis 1. Ricardo to Sibanios to Pulyoso. Yes. It's a 2 points from Pulyoso. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Otor serve the ball. Otor, the try. Mamalungpo wide open. One nice 3-point. Otor, jersey number 2. Jersey number 18 to Francis Kene. Francis Kene to Gahera. Gahera, the try. Pass to Pulyoso off the glass, no. Medalla grabs the ball, jersey number 16 at right wing. Medalla to drop, the kick out pass to Saharo. Heading away to Torrecampo, the kick out pass. Right open, firing, yes sir! 3 points, seconds to play. 55 seconds left. Sibanios to Francis Kene. Taking a pass. Francis Kene coming out to Gahera. The king out pass, Ricardo. Pulyoso at the elbow. He knocks it down. Napon ko mas. Kumusta mo yung buhay na buhay? Ay mo ginabuhay na eh. Here comes Ricardo. Ricardo to Francis Kene. Torrecampo honesty. Torrecampo hands, lace up, and it is a 2 points from Torrecampo. Ricardo to Gahera, stolen by jersey number 11, Johnson. King the boys down, bouncing the ball back on 4 roses. Here comes Jamanti, jersey number 3, serving the floor to Johnson. Johnson, sidestep move to floater, to drag and to finish from Johnson. Gahera wide open, hands off the glass. The basket one, go but 3 contact in a foul, jersey number 23, black keeper foul.
Garcia Altodere sa backstage.
Johnson, Torrecampo, pumping, the kick out, Diamante to Johnson, Mamalungpong, the pull up, no, Torrecampo saves the ball to Johnson, to drive, the kick out to Mamalungpong, Torrecampo, to Torrecampo, and the lead of basket, and foul. Ampo to Francis Kene, jersey number 10 at 26 rider. Serve the floor, Francis Kene, the drive, kick out. Ricardo, elbow jumper off the mark. Ampo, fire away, yes! It's a 2 points from Ampo, jersey number 11. Here comes Torrecampo, carried by Francis Kene. To Johnson, the drive. Pass, back to Torrecampo. Torrecampo, slashing in, fading, the ball up, yes! Hits a 2 points for Torrecampo. Here comes Francis Kene. Jersey number 26. Francis Kene. The ball up, yes! Hits a 2 points from Francis Kene. Jamanti, jersey number 3, crosscourt pass to Torrecampo. Tori Campo, the side step. The third drop is good from Tori Campo. Furioso. Okay, roll, elbow jumper, in and out. Okay, the ball is out of bounds and the ball back on for Rosas. The score 14 against 23. The lead is 9 points. From the cross, up against Francis Kere. To Tori Campo, to Mamalongkong, heading away at the elbow. Bingo! Tiro serving. Tiro zigzagging, big na pass. Mamalongkong. Tori Campo saves the ball, lays out, Manin. Hits the 2 points from Tori Campo. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Up to his field to center. Francis Kere. The drive. Flying away now. Furioso, the foot back at the right time, at the right place, and he knocks it down. Diamante to Chungson. Chungson the drive. Chungson the kick out. Yes, sir! Okay, here's a timeout. Timeout call by this. Alright, Quinones is a big push. He scored. Tiro jersey number 25, Tiro to Gahera. Gahera looking for the open man. Gahera cross court pass. Ricardo, the drive. Ricardo to Gahera. Faking ball jumper. The basket and one. Here comes Tori Campo serving the ball. Tori Campo. Right open. He bounces it in. 26. Francis Kete to Pandoho. Pandoho back to Francis Kete to Ambong. 40 to shoot. Ambong lays up. Yes. Hits the 2 points from Ambong. Jersey number 11. 49-32. Tori Campo. Mamalongkong. Elbow jumper in the top. Pandoho drops the ball. Mamalongkong steal. Diamante. Jump to Joseph. Yes, it's a 2 points. Quinones. 3 against 2, last 10 to shoot. Ricardo, the drive rejected by Quinones. That's last 5. Yes. Okay, time for. Here comes Francis Kete. Francis Kete to Ricardo. Back to Francis Kete. Control the steal to Tori Campo. Tori Campo lays up and in. It's a 2 points from Tori Campo. Francis Kere bounce pass to Ricardo. Romulo turns in a rapid. Pandoho. To Ambong. Elbow jumper. Yes! Oh yes, it's a 2 points. Here comes Ambong. Tori Campo hands. Lays up. Yes. Furioso. Stalin to Mitalia. Mitalia to Trixon. Mitalia, the king out. To Quinones, nice Amarin. Ricardo, the drive. Okay, denied. Okay, first a timeout call by the Queen Rebecca. 1 minute and 40. Ambong, the drive, lays up, no. Tori Campo, to Otor. Seconds to play. Last 14 to shoot. Otor. Mamalongkong fading away with the glass, yes. Last 50 seconds left. Last 47. Francis Kere, push the trigger, bingo. 51, 57. 40 seconds left. Tori Campo. Otor. Last 14 to shoot. Last 30. Gahera, for jumper, no. Last 15. Mamalongkong. 10. Okay, voluntary surrender.
58, ganyan. 50, winner for Roses.
Alright, congratulations for Roses. And also to the Queen Rebecca.